Hello friends, let us solve this question today. This is a descriptive category. So question is, a toy is in the form of a cone. So it's a cone, radius 3.5 centimeter, mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is this much, given 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. So the toy shape is cone mounted on a hemisphere. Let us understand this question by drawing one simple figure also. So mounted on a hemisphere, that means bottom part is hemisphere. Let me draw one hemisphere. Something like this. Okay, this is hemisphere, and top portion is cone. So this is the toy, cone mounted on a hemisphere. Now total height of the toy is given 15.5. So total height means from here till here. This is height of the cone, and this much is for the hemisphere. So we can say this is, let us show like this. Total height is 15.5 centimeter. Radius is mentioned here 3.5. So this radius, or this side, or this side, or this also same, 3.5 centimeter. Now find the total surface area of the toy. So when we find total area, we will write this way: area of this cone and area of this hemisphere will combine together, then we get area, total area of this toy. So we'll write directly now like this. Total surface area of the toy will be curved surface area of this cone and curved surface area of this hemisphere. So let me write like this: curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, now we need to remember here formula, very important formula here. Cone curved surface area is pi RL, and for hemisphere surface area is 2 pi r square. So these two we will add together, then we get the total here. So formula we need to remember. Let us put the value whatever here. If any value is not given or missing, then we need to find out. So pi, okay, let us put value 22 by 7, value of pi. Radius is given 3.5. Slant height, this is the slant height of the cone, not given, that means we need to find out. So now we need to find L, that is slant height, this one. To find slant height, we need to know height of the cone, h. Okay, let me show now here h how much first. So total height is 15.5. Only this portion will be total minus this hemisphere height. Hemisphere height means the radius here, same. That means height of the cone will be total minus 3.5. So 0 to 1, that is 12.0. So 12 centimeter. This is the height of the cone. So 12 plus 3.5 gives 15.5 total. So I got h now. Now I have to find slant height so that I can put here now. Let me show another side. how to find slant height. Slant height formula L square root of r square plus h square. Let us go slowly. Radius is 3.5. Height just now we got 12. 3.5 into 3.5. If you don't remember the square, then you have to check this way. You have to multiply 3.5 into 3.5. Let me show this also to some of the students who are finding difficult to multiply. 5 5 25, 2 5 3 15 16 17, 3 5 is 15, 1 in hand, 3 3 9 10. So 5 7 plus 5 12, 2 1 1 2, decimal after 2 here. So I am getting 12.25. 12 12 we know 144. When we add this one, 144.00. So 5 2 6 5 1. So we are getting here 156.25. Now how much will come out? So for that we need to find factor here. Let me show you this factor also. So 15625, decimal will arrange later on. So if you see carefully, then you will catch up this one. 5 3 is 15, 5 1 5, 6 1 in hand, 5 2 is 10, 2 in hand, 5 5 25, 5 6 is 30, 1 in hand, 5 2 is 10, 1 in 2 in hand, 5 5 is 25. This is just dividing itself. It's division only. 5 1 5, 1 in hand, 5 2 is 10, 11 12, 2 in hand, 5 5 25, 5 2 is 10, 11 12, 2 in hand, 25, 5 5 25, 5 5 is 25. So when we say square root, we understand out of 2 number 1 will come out. So out of 2 1 is out, out of 2 1 is out, out of 2 1 is out. That means 5 5 25, 25 into 5 125. That means 125. So I can write now like this, 125 into 125. So here after decimal here 1 2, so I will divide this here 1 here 1 this way. That means 12.5 into 12.5. So 1 will be out, 12.5. So this is the value of L. So this is here extra calculation because L was not given in the question. So this is the way how to find L. So r square plus h square. So this L we will put now there, 12.5. We will substitute in place of L, 12.5. Okay, next 222 by 7 r 3.5, r square 2 times 3.5. Now we can take common and calculate, or we can cancel here itself. 717, 7 5 is 35, point. Here also 717, 7 5 is 35, point. So what is remaining now? Let me write this here in another page. Remaining is now 22 0.5, 22 0.5, 12.5 plus 2 into 22, 2 into 22 into 3.5 into 0.5. So this is remaining after cancelling with 7. Now this 3 will multiply, will get here, and this multiply, then we'll get here value, then we will add together. So there is another one way, or we can take common and do also. So any way which you find simple, that way you can do. Let us multiply then one by one here. 22 into 0.5 is 11.0. So 11.0 into 12.5. 12.5. So 500, 51, 51, 200, 21 is 2, 21 is 2, 100, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 5, 7, 3, 1. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So I'm getting here 137.5, and here this simple way, let's say 22 into 0.5, again 11.0, this and this 11.0 into 2, 22.0 into this, so 22.0 into 3.5. see, or you can do this way, after decimal 0 no value, no meaning here, so just 22 you can write, so 3.5 into 22, this way also you can do. After the decimal, if there is 0, then no need to write that one, just you can write the number also. So let's multiply now with 3.5, 2, 5, 10, 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 7, 0, 7, 7. Decimal. After 1 here there is decimal, so I'll put here, again 0 no value, you can just write 77, or you can put 77.0 also, no problem. If you get confused, then put this way, no problem. So now finally we'll add 137.5 plus 77.0. okay, 5, 7 plus 7 14, 1 in hand, 7 plus 3 10, 1 11, 1 plus 1 is 2, so 214.5 centimeter square. So this is the total area of that toy that is mentioned. So here little bit calculation we need to do, and this is descriptive category, so little practice and remembering the formula will help. So here it was mentioned total surface area of the toy. So this toy, what are the object connected here? One is cone and one is hemisphere. So curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. So these two area, when we combine together, then we get the area of the toy. So first step itself, we need the formula. For the cone is pi RL, for hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Then we are putting the value one by one. Now calculation we can do by taking common or without taking common also. So what value was missing here? Slant height. Slant height formula is square root of r square plus h square. So this value was not given, so we have calculated separately. So I hope this will help.